In a recent development within the realm of Kenya's information and communication technology sector, the Cabinet Secretary for ICT, Eliud Owalo, has announced the appointment of David Mugonyi as the new Director General for the Communications Authority of Kenya. This significant decision comes in the wake of the resignation of Ezra Chiloba, who formerly held the position. The formal announcement was made by Secretary Owalo, who cited a letter from the Chief of Staff and Head of the Public Service dated December 19, 2023, conveying official approval for Mugonyi's appointment to the prestigious role. Owalo encouraged the commencement of necessary procedures to finalize the appointment, marking a pivotal moment in the leadership transition for the Communications Authority. David Mugonyi, prior to this appointment, held the position of head of the Presidential Communications Service, showcasing a wealth of experience in strategic communication and leadership roles. Owalo expressed confidence in Mugonyi's capabilities by endorsing his candidacy for the crucial position within the Communications Authority. Mugonyi brings a solid educational background to his new role, holding a master's degree in international journalism from City University in the United Kingdom. His academic journey includes a bachelor's degree in education from the University of Nairobi, complemented by a diploma in mass communication from the same institution. The newly appointed Director General has an extensive track record in public service, notably serving as the spokesperson and communications secretary for President William Ruto since 2013, during Ruto's tenure as the deputy president. Before joining Ruto's communication team, Mugonyi served as the head of the Parliamentary Press Unit, showcasing a diverse range of experiences in various communication capacities. The vacancy in the position of Director General arose following the resignation of Ezra Chiloba on October 19, 2023. Chiloba, who had assumed the role in 2021 after succeeding Francis Wangusi, faced suspension in September amid allegations of financial impropriety following an internal audit. The audit accused Chiloba and 9 other high-ranking officials of mishandling mortgages and allowances amounting to millions of shillings. Among the allegations, Chiloba was accused of self-approving a mortgage loan without due process to facilitate a property sale, leading to his suspension. In response, Chiloba vehemently refuted any wrongdoing and, in a letter to the Communications Authority of Kenya Board, called for his reinstatement. He argued that he was denied a fair hearing before disciplinary action was taken against him. Before his stint at the Communications Authority, Chiloba served as the Chief Executive Officer of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, adding another layer to his extensive career in public service. The appointment of David Mugonyi as the new Director General marks a significant chapter in the leadership of the Communications Authority of Kenya, bringing with it a blend of academic excellence, communication expertise, and a wealth of public service experience. As Mugonyi assumes his new role, the ICT sector in Kenya anticipates a period of transformative leadership and strategic direction under his guidance. This is a developing story. Continue following the Kenya News Channel to get updates.